Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I'm a person that works from home and is constantly using his laptop in a station place, the airflow is so important. So this is where this laptop stand that is made of aluminum. This is like a heavy metal that is going to be sturdy and at the same time it's not going to wobble in your desk. So keeping it stable and helping the airflow of the laptop is so important because all these components that it's inside of the laptop, once they get like really high, it can actually affect your thermal paste and the function of your laptop could be affected. But this is where I like the most about this product. It's sturdy and it's built like a tank. Every single time that you put your laptop here, you just feel that it's secure. It has all these different rubber spaces that your laptop is not going to be slipping out, and it just works like wonders. So if you really want to keep your laptop in a good airflow, these components from keeping them from being really high, and at the same time it's gonna give you this stylish look and fancy look to your setup, this is a great opportunity. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.